Hey guys, welcome back. Excuse the explosion. We've been doing a little bit of filming all day and got nowhere. And it's the sawzall day, reciprocating saws. We've got the Kobalt XTR and the dewalt, just regular old one. Price difference is nominal, $20 to $30 between them compared to going from this to the XR. The XR is about $30 to $40 more than this. Price difference is enough that I say these are in the same class. Let's get solid. Alright guys, so let's start looking at some of the features of each of these. They both are brushless tools. One thing on the dewalt, you have this little lock here to get your blade out, and it works great, quick enough, all that. What I really like on it is the shoe, how it just kind of moves, it's free, and it's got a decent amount of angle of attack. Where the shoe falls flat though, is the shoe on the XTR. You press this button and you can adjust your length. Now you see on the XTR, it doesn't have quite the angle of attack and it's stiff. However, its release mechanism is you just twist that collet and pop it right out. A little bit quicker in my opinion. So, with the XTR, you get both a straight plane cut, just like with the dewalt. However, you can turn it down into orbital, and so then you get a little bit of motion up and down. You get just a little bit of motion up and down, and that really makes the difference when cutting into things. It keeps you from binding as much, and it lets you take away a little bit more material per pass. So let's go ahead and get into cutting some stuff. Hey guys, we got a piece of galvanized pipe here. We're gonna go ahead and try through it. Not too bad. And we'll switch over to the Kobalt. That's the difference there. Both of these used an 18 tooth per inch blade. Same piece of pipe. Seen the difference. Hey guys, we're just going to go through a piece of wood here, just kind of compare the two cuts. They're both going to be using a 6 tooth per inch blade. Now this is going to be the XTR in Orbital Mode. Same thing, smooth on the inside, pretty flush on the back. This does have the same kind of feathering and tearing on the front. And now one more time, let's go ahead and try it without the Orbital Mode on. No matter which way you guys go, you can't go wrong. Either reciprocating saw here is a good choice. Obviously, the XTR is the better choice. Now, there's one little caveat to that. We don't know how this holds up. We know how dewalt stuff holds up. My pap's got one from 10 years ago that's still going to this day, the old 18-volt ones. Kobalt's still new, but the features and the stuff they're packing in at the price range cannot be beat, guys. Thanks for coming and checking out the review. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and come again.